Hi there, lovely. Welcome to our channel, where we talk all things self-care. Are you new to self-care and not sure where to start? Well, you're in the right place. What is self-care? Simply put, self-care is the practice of taking care of your physical, emotional, and mental health. Self-care is not just about pampering yourself in luxuries. It's about creating a lifestyle that supports your overall health. Why is self-care so important? Well, the benefits are numerous. Self-care can help reduce stress and anxiety. By prioritizing self-care, you'll be better equipped to handle life's challenges, achieve your goals, and live a more fulfilling life. It boosts energy and physical health to improve your relationships. Creating a self-care routine. 1. Start your self-care. 2. Set realistic goals. 3. Start small. 4. Make it a habit. Begin with 1 or 2 self-care activities and gradually add more as you become more comfortable with the routine. Schedule your self-care activities into your daily or weekly routine and stick to self-care activities for beginners. Now that we've covered the basics of creating a self-care routine, let's talk about some self-care activities that are perfect for beginners. Meditation and mindfulness. Start with short, guided meditations and gradually increase the duration as you become more comfortable with the practice. Yoga. Begin with gentle stretches and gradually move on to more challenging poses as you build flexibility and strength. Journaling. Start by writing down your thoughts, feelings, and gratitudes each day. Reflect on your experiences and identify patterns and areas for improvement. Walking and nature therapy. Take short walks in nature, breathe in fresh air, and connect with the world around you. Overcoming obstacles and staying motivated. Now that we've covered the basics of self-care and provided you with some self-care activities to get started, let's talk about how to overcome obstacles and stay motivated on your self-care journey. Remember, self-care is not a one-size-fits-all approach. It's about finding what works for you and making it a sustainable part of your lifestyle. Don't be too hard on yourself. If you miss a day or two, simply acknowledge the setback and gently get back on track. And that's it. We hope this video has provided you with a comprehensive guide to getting started with self-care. Remember, self-care is a journey, not a destination. Be patient, kind, and compassionate with yourself as you navigate the ups and downs of life. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more self-care content and inspiration.